Fish on.
Muddy water's flowing, and she take my hand. Let's creep down by the hollow, through your daddy's land, and I could.
How's it going? Today we're at Grand Teton National Park chasing lake trout. About 60 degrees, water's only 42, so I'm fishing in like 10 to 15 feet of water. So I came out yesterday and the day before, right at like 6 p.m. and the sun goes down at 9, and I was in my canoe, so I didn't make it far from the landing. Also, the weather is 100 times better today. Might have to jump in. Woo! Sit down, baby. Man, that's a brown trout. Okay. Look at the color on that thing. Let him go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Fish on. Fish on. Come on, baby, stay down. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Nice laker on the jerk bait. Number 6, Shad Rap, black and white. Good eater. Bobber down. Nope. Oh, let's go, fish on. Shad Rap does it again. That's gross. Shad. Nice laker. Let him go. Breaker number 3. Let's go, baby. Fuck, did I lose him? I had a bite. Lost him. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Fish on. Oh my gosh. That's a nice brown trout. Oh, that is sweet. That's really cool. This lightweight MSR stove does not heat things very evenly, so I'm gonna have to move this pan around a lot, but that's okay. Nice lake trout fillet. Little butter on the pan. Little Uncle Ben's. Uncle Ben's is a good, cheap backpacking meal. Have some beans with it. My cousin Laura taught me that one. The scales on lake trout are really small, so you can eat the skin. You don't have to scale it. I saw a grizzly bear on the side of the road today. Why didn't I not bring any sauce? Or spices? Come on. Little lemon pepper. Woo! Now I'm dreaming.